Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to Not Just Mommy Time. I am Jakinda. So, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, today I'm going to teach you guys how to survive during COVID-19. And yes, if I'm wearing the same shirt from my last video, I taped them in the same day, okay? I look exactly the same because my kids was quiet, so I thought, you know what, you just finished one video, you might as well go ahead and shoot another one while you can. So that's why I'm wearing the exact same thing from my last video. But anyways, tips on how to survive during COVID-19. So, stores are empty, you guys. You can't find any baby wipes. You can't find any Lysol. You can't find anything, okay? So I'm going to teach you guys some tips and tricks on how to survive during COVID. Tip number 1. Finding hand sanitizer is critical. You don't want to go outside without it. You want to make sure that you're protected at all times, but the store doesn't have any hand sanitizer. Okay, I'm going to give you 2 quick lickety-split options that you can use to do hand sanitizer. Get you a little small squirtable bottle and buy you some alcohol. Get you rubbing alcohol, okay? 60% or above. Not 90, I'm sorry. If it's good to put on a scrape on your knee when you hurt yourself, it's good for your hands. 60% or above of rubbing alcohol by yourself in a squirt bottle, in a little squirter bottle, it's good to go. You out and about, you didn't touch something, squirt your hands, you good to go. Okay, let's say you can't find alcohol, or for some reason you don't want to use any rubbing alcohol. Next best choice, guys, is bleach and water. And I don't mean just like pour to the rim and full with bleach. No. Just put a few drops, 2 to 3 drops of bleach in the little squirt bottles. Oops. Wait for a focus. There we go. Like this, guys. Just a little bottle like this. Put 2 or 3 drops of bleach in this bottle. Fill it the rest of the way with water. You're good to go, okay? Bleach is honestly the best thing for sanitizing. Bleach kills everything. Bleach is multi-purpose. You can use it on anything. And if you're desperate enough, trust me, you're going to use that bleach in that water if you can't find anything else. Okay, that's my first tip. My second tip. You can't find any sanitizer wipes. You need to wipe down your house. You want to sanitize. Everybody done bought everything because they panicking. So this is what you do, okay? You want to get you a container with a lid. Get you some paper towels and put the paper towels in that container. Next thing you want to do is get you a cup. Put a cap full of bleach in that cup and fill the cup the rest of the way with water. And then add a few drops of dish soap. Maybe, I'll say 3 or 4 drops of dish soap. Then what you want to do is mix it all together. And then what you want to do is pour the solution over the wipes. There you go. You got sanitized wipes. Same thing can go for if you need a spray bottle. You just want to get you a spray bottle, do a cap full of bleach. I would say about 4 drops of dish soap. It doesn't matter what kind of dish soap you use, Dawn, Palmolive, whatever kind of dish soap that you have. At least 4 drops, and then fill it up the rest of the way with water. Shake it up, and there you go. Bleach will sanitize any and everything. So if you cannot find Lysol in the stores, don't worry, don't fret. You have everything that you need probably in your house. I'm sure if you wash on a daily, you should have bleach and you should have soap in your house. You can sanitize your whole house with bleach, soap, and rubbing alcohol. You do not need Lysol or all these other expensive things that people is buying up. Bleach, soap, rubbing alcohol, that's pretty much all you need. Is wipes. You guys, people are buying baby wipes that don't even need baby wipes. They ain't got no babies, but because toilet paper is all sold out, oh, I'm gonna just go get me some wipes. And it's completely unfair, me being a mom of 2 that are still in diapers. Like, it's completely unfair that there are people out there buying up wipes that don't have any babies. But here is a tip for you. You need some baby wipes. Here is what you do. You get a container with the lid. We're going to do it the same way we did the Sanitize wipes. Get you a container with the lid on it. What you want to do is get you a cup. Fill up the cup with water. Then you're going to add in a few squirts of baby wash. Mix it together, and then what you're going to do is pour the solution over the paper towels. Now, you don't want too much, so that way it's not super wet, but you want it enough to where it's nice and wet like a wipe, and it will do the job of what you need done. So I pretty much want to say, like, with that, I can't give you any measurement on how much to make. You just pretty much have to eyeball it depending on how many paper towels you need and how much solution you need. So you pretty much have to eyeball that yourself, because I can't give you any direct measurements. But just do enough, make enough solution to where it'll get the job done, but not to where it's like wringing wet and you have to, like, you know, wring the wipe out because it's too wet. You want to do not too much, not too little, but just enough. And also, if you don't want to do that, you don't feel like making your own wipes, here is what the people have been doing since the beginning of time. And what I sometimes do when my son has a blowout and he just got poop all over the place, I get a towel, put some soap on it, and wash his butt. That's pretty much what you can do, okay? If you don't want to make your own wipes and you can't find any wipes in the store, it is nothing wrong with either putting your baby in the tub. You know, if he has a blowout like my baby be having blowouts, just put your baby in the bathtub. It's bath time. Or just get you a towel, one specific towel to wipe, or a couple specific towels, because, you know, babies poop and all that throughout the day. So get you a towel and and go ahead and put you some water and soap on it, and a towel works just as good, because that's what people were using way before wipes even came about. You know what I mean? So you kind of just have to make the best out of this unfortunate situation. Also, I know that diapers are becoming an issue. If you guys cannot find diapers in your baby size, but these burp towels right here, white, you can get them at Walmart. They are also good for cloth diapering. Now, I don't know how, because honestly, I don't know anything about cloth diapering. I've never done it before. But I was told that these are also good for cloth diapering. With those, though, you have to get, it has to be done a certain way, and you have to get safety pins. So I don't know, like, if you have to do it, like, I don't want to give y'all any wrong information, but I have heard that you can use these to cloth diaper, but you will need some safety pins and safety pin it up. So that's what I've heard. Another tip that I can give you guys is, I know most of us mamas have one. If not, go ahead and get you one. A squirt bottle like this. Okay, if you run out of toilet paper and you can't find any in the store, mamas that have had babies know that this is your best friend after you had a baby. Whether you had a baby via C-section or vaginal, this helps. Okay, you put you some nice hot water in here, or warm temp water in here. Push the thing up, and then you just squirt it, and there you go. Okay, I mean, it's maybe not the best way, but I can honestly tell you, like, it works. Okay, it works and it's helpful. So if you can't find any toilet paper or anything like that, what you could do is fill this up with some warm water. You can also fill this up halfway with some warm water, with some soap, and just squirt it on down there. There you go. You're nice and clean. I would just say just fill this up with some nice warm water, and there you go. You're good to go. But those is all the tips that I have for you guys today. I hope that everyone is doing alright, that everyone's doing okay during this quarantine time. I'm personally taking time to spend more with my kids and sanitizing the house as much as possible, but we're not really leaving the house, so I don't have to sanitize it. I don't have to sanitize it too much every day, but once a day is good enough. But anyways, guys, hope that this video was good for you guys. I hope that the tips and tricks helped you guys out for those that can't find the necessities that they're looking for. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!